People, morning. I know I said the interview shot no for Uno last night, but this a goodie mother come out and all these things. Yes, I not lie, people. I had a little breakdown part of it, but let me tell you something. Kevin Donzel sing, "You make me stronger." Well, she make me stronger this morning, yeah? Let me tell you might love Mackerel as me call her Ladesha, because Ladesha to me, Mackerel, Ladesha is not supposed to be responsible for what Mackerel do. Yes? Ladesha has been talking to people, say, me never in her life. Ladesha I tell lie. Because I left her father's house when she was 3 and living at that same house here. And me move from house to house. Carry my baby go to school when she has 5, school for the blind. They work assiduously on the buses, high-low, supermarket, sidewalk, do any park. People no want to feel look for me, because I come on with the nice style and I speak English. And if you ever someone who don't understand the English, well, I come back again. Father never business with nothing but Ladesha, man. All the shit him know say, him take her out of school after me boarded her. She said, me no go foreign. I want to go check with the immigration officer. I went there and did customer service in the hospitality service. Come back again, me go Hart College of Beauty Services where me study massage therapist. Oh, yeah. And then me do other skill. Me write and do things, festival song and all these things. Let me tell you, Ladesha, because this a few. Me nah try to take when nothing from you. Me not even want your money, baby girl. But me want you to stop tell the people then. So me never in your life. When you get pregnant, you run from your father's house because you never want to stand up to my standard of life. So me tell him say, me I'm going to put you in a home. And him say no. And then he take you over Portmore where him and his woman live. And that's how you run away from and we don't find you back till October 18. When we find you back, you say from your father touch you. You're not superior again. Me and the police catch up in a Sosoka because me I tell the police that the father not wait. Yes, people. And the father was right there with my next little baby a shake up. And so therefore I was the one who caused the father not to get into trouble because him did really worry that this story about why him make she gone out there. After that, we place her in a Mary's child. She did it till she have the baby, people. When she had the baby, see them come at me yard and she said me yard alright and then send her back to me. 2015, she go over her father and her stepmother gave her the phone. So she started corresponding back with the baby father. When I came home that night, my son told me about it. And I reprimanded her, scolded her about the phone and trouble. The next day, I was supposed to go to the Jamaica Society for the Blind for a Jamaica day and night something. I said to her, I said, make me see our society. She said, no, she's going to her father. Lo and behold, when I came home, she run me going back with the baby. When she got telling us, say me and her no band, me and that girl did band, them call her poor and bossy when she go school for the blind. Me not see no father. One time her father go up to school, go cut off the people, then call King Alarm pan her. Me no come here for tear down you, miss. And you and your followers, then make me tell you this. Anybody that see me this morning must know now say me a sing a pambus. And you know why me sing pambus? Because when me have my profession and me can't get no work. Resume after resume. Me no get no work from the Ministry of Health, from the Ministry of Education, from nowhere. Me go a Michael for 1 year and when me couldn't tolerate with Michael because of how they were not structured. And I say it with no apology, Michael, no to. Me left Michael and I wait for next university. If you go, come on, people. One of you stop do the foolishness because that's why men they take with the little girl pit them and rape them because people see them dance up shop pays and see them give money, man give them money and they not tell their mother. One night I couldn't catch her at crossroad. Come give me when she supposed to come home at 9 o'clock. That's the first time he beat her when she about 11, 12. When time she supposed to come home, then see her in a crossroad market with the same baby father. Because to my understanding, imply bus from crossroad to Waterhouse. Let me talk the things then. And so, me want to know if you understand us and not sit down with part to know the people and they do all kind of things. And me talk this to them, I don't want no money. Me say, from she viral, me say, the 3rd of March, she was right here sitting down with me and our stepfather and our baby, and the whole of they had to eat and marry. She said, Mommy, me I go talk one something because me talk say, good it come out. And people love it, so me I go talk say, me take people, man. When you think about it, because people are follow me now, me turn to her and say, stay in your lane. I was 100 beside Ladesha. When she had her baby at Mary's child, and me go sign the paper them. And me buy clothes because she hide the man and say I want a little boy up her school pregnant her. So you know that the picnic couldn't get charged when nothing no go so. Me stay there, me sit down on Jubilee bench till she baby born. When the baby born, she call them at the home and say, Mommy, baby born. So little pitney, when you're hype and a go on, no hype so. But you tell them, say your mama walk and sing all the way Pan Plaza because she couldn't get her career choice job just to help you. Me don't want nothing from you, but me want people in the world to understand. So this is not the little mother. This is not the woman where I go look nothing from Mackerel. She said she and daughter and her brother and sister. But them are see the same father, but not the same mother. Because the mother here, she don't want nothing from you, sister. Nothing at all. Only a chance me want from the world to promote my song them and to set up my business. Ancient Hands and registered and licensed. Me need a place to set up my business. So if you don't want to, me I beg that, no problem. Because I'm money me say and work me say. So my song I go come out early for you, Mackerel. And the mother them we are hurt right now. What a situation, she get it wrong. As a mother to a daughter, you must understand. Whoa, what a situation. That I know me plan. Come me send you a school to get your education. Me never send you a school to go look people, man. Pitney, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Better you just change your tune. Or you might have be Ladesha and Mackerel. But Ladesha might not be responsible for what Mackerel say. If you want your script to write, come to me, let me write it. Because you say you want to be comedian, and there is nothing comedic about you. Except that you tear me down, Ladesha. I don't know you don't like me. I don't know you don't like me. Tell me one thing what your father do for you. And if your father wish to speak the truth, he can come out and tell me and the world. Say he never do nothing for you. You too contrary. You say you were abandoned when you are 12. Yet still you tell them last night on TV say you kick out when you are 15. Oh, it is that you have so much controversial story, miss. Me no business if you want to love me again. But the thing is, me talk the truth and nothing but the truth. Read the iron where you say, my son. I play on another play last picnic. And when Chavez put the iron side of you, me make sure give him a couple thump. And so what you did with that for? Because you were my baby. You were the little one. So me could never put Chavez over you. You don't give me no reason. Because you're a girl. And when you're the little, you're very pretty and sweet. Always set up me say, Mommy, when me come out of the bus, don't lift me up. Come on, say thank you, driver. You were such a sweetheart until your father take you out of boarding school and you started to mix with the people them on the road and the people them and you just choose bad. Badness is what you choose, miss. Miss, stop it. Take your fame. Take your fame. But don't tear me down because God sits high and look low down. And sister lie you can't tell me nothing what your father do to you. Because even when you're there in the other day, you say, Mommy, when me call you Mommy, Daddy begs and cuss me now. Can me baby over my father? Can my father cuss bad word? You know cuss bad word. Huh? So how is it that now you're going to tear me down, sister? School for the blind. You know, come out, come defend me. People from Hilo Plaza in a Punish Town. People at JUTC, pan JUTC bus. People at Portmore Mall, Duane Park. All what you know when me go sing and have the second girl park holiday with me. And the time when me stop lifting up that little girl was when she was 7 years old. No Jamaican mother now get up every day and kiss, kiss, kiss. But what I gave her, the love I gave her, is undying love. Why you wicked so Ladeshia, man? Why? Your father not do nothing. Cause your father always tell me say no have it, no have it. It was very abusive. Beat me hell daylight. Me have to run out. Me put him all a court, the judge gave 3 years suspended sentence. Cause if I talk, you want me talk, me we talk. And me run to hell. The people that may live near him now can talk the truth. And after me done today, if you don't see the light, then you can do the next best. Cause me no want our money. Me not sing money, yo. Me no want it. Me can make me own money. All me want is a chance from the world to know say me, a mother with dignity, charisma, and capital. So me can tell you, Ladeshia, Mr. Rainford, if you want, you get in touch with me too, because it's 2 and 3 sides to a story. My side, her side, and the truth. No sit down there and take it. No sit down there and take it. And if you don't want to get in touch with the father. Because she said him do the things then. And if him come in my face and talk that, God have to strike him. Me a single mom. My friend them know that. My enemy them know that. And me not no enemy rather. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, every day I get on JUTC, but sometimes I get an insult. Sometimes, so my driver, them as they see me, they come and shut the door because they don't want no singing in a them bus. Them say it's illegal to sing, but so my driver, them lenient people. I'm tired of the tear down from Ladeshia. One of them stop listening to Ladeshia. Ladeshia going to come back. Ladeshia cost me off in 2016 in a CDA office. And only because I was trying to protect her from the big tone man them. That's all me do. Our father said, when they reach one stage, they can F. Me not say it. Me not say it because I never want to lose my little girl to pray the lastly. To men. To man who love prayed upon people. Girl pick me. Who not see Shantae Kayas. Who not see Trisha Morris. If people did not watch them, they pick me there, they wanna go down. Me tired. Me tired. Me tired. Me tired. Me tired. Me tired. Wanna get in touch with me, you know. Wanna want to talk to me, you know. Observe, I don't put out nothing when you don't know and don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Mackerel, a message for you, you get it wrong. You get it wrong, what a situation. You don't know why you hate me. And because of that, you could have poisoned me. You must not like me, because you say me no blind and you can't see better. Me no need to me record their school for the blind. I walk with a cane. Pass the cane, give me junior. Pass me cane. For the favor them people and I see what go on around here. Pass one cane.
Just one cane.
Give me my cane.
No,
This
just
is my
take
cane.
just take one cane.
This is my cane, people. Blind people. People when no blind can't walk with this. I mean, even with me looking at the camera properly, I mean, I use my blindness for no. Sorry for me. Me are telling us that we must have to stop Ladeshia in our track or something to that effect. Because having an education is different from an illiterate person. And I say this with no apology. She is lying. And the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. Only Kenya. Yeah? So, alright. So, me I tell you this morning. You sit here. Me no want nobody come say me a tear down her. Make she go and do her rightness. But just to clear my name. Just to ensure that I am not the woman. Because my 24-year-old son, police never tell him to walk fast. And I'm me grow the two of them. And because it's school for the blind, well, no. Me are the vice president on the PDA board, assistant PRO on the PTA board. I am a public figure, people. But after today, me sure no say, you know, have to go talk the things them. If you don't want, because I'm tired of you know, stupid comments want to make. But thumbs up to the people, them will love me. And this I know say, me I know that mother where she paid me for be. Yeah? Because one day me I look for see she come back. She going to come back, you know. She going to come back. If she not come back one way, she will come back the other way. Up to the last time this year, the 3rd of March, me give her 2,500. My fiance give her 1,000 and me give her 1,500. Because I me have no show. I want me have no show. Every time she come to me on weekends with the baby, I gave the baby snack. Me buy some big thing and nest and map and all kind of things. Tell me where her father do for her. More than maybe put her out. Because she love him for that. She love the things them around. People, the struggle is real. And I thank all who help me out to come out. I thank me people them even at my yard right now who are too and I see me and I go on. And the people them who don't reach me yet, we want to reach me. Anytime I don't want to reach me, I can't reach me, because I can't go up on the star or I can't call the vlogger them who might have my number. And so on. Now I can go up on Facebook and messenger me and do all kind of something for me for find me, because it hurts me. I'm not tell a lie. Have a human being me cry. Because I know say nothing not gonna like what Ladeshia say. Ladeshia TRN is my address upon it. Her TRN and my address upon it. How is our father addressing upon it? And she just get her TRN last year, people. Huh? Who don't you believe a record done there with my name written on it? People who must be fair. Who must be fair. Go to the school for the blind. My name is the only name that is written in her records. So how the hell do they tell me say she were a child with abuse or hurt? Huh? Who don't go do no research, no man. Go do no research, man. Go do no research, man. I want to see, want to see. No, just sit down so and listen to people and their foolishness. Go do your research. She can't throw no father name. I'm not going to look for all of it and look for my name.